Hey everybody, Matt here. Thanks for stopping by again. Always good to see you. Hey, listen, our prisons in the United States are filled to capacity and oftentimes beyond capacity with men whose fathers were not part of their lives. Part of the problem is the family court system. And I'll put links in the description of all my research and articles that I'm getting this from, but just in a few minutes I can explain it to you. About 40 or 50 years ago, I believe Joe Biden, of all people, signed a bill. He authored and drafted it and finally got it approved to reimburse family courts $5 for every $1 they administer in child support. And what generates this money? I mean, the courts are addicted to this money. It's a huge amount of money they get every year. It's like it's billions throughout the country. So if parents had equal access to their kids, let's say in my situation, I've got my son every other week, so it's 50-50. And I represented myself in family courts, so I know a little bit about what I'm talking about here. I was pro se, and I won. I got exactly what I wanted. I didn't think that she deserved less than 50%, and I didn't think I deserved more than 50%. I believe in equal rights, equal access to parents. So what the courts are doing now is they're generating so much income by keeping one parent away. The boilerplate plan. What is it? A nightly visit on Tuesday and then every other weekend. And what that makes usually the father have to do is pay a lot of child support to the mother. And let's say it's $1,100 a month. The state gets $5,500 a month from the federal government. They get reimbursed $5 for every $1 they manage in child support. So what does that get the state addicted to? Managing money. I believe they should get support from the federal government. It seems to be working, but let's not make it based on the amount of money they manage, but how about the number of cases? That way there's no influence as to, keep one parent away from the other. Like I said, our prisons are filled to capacity and oftentimes beyond capacity with men whose fathers weren't part of their lives. It's just ridiculous, and I think that's one of the fundamental problems in this country. You don't have a lot of fathers in households to put the proverbial boot up the kid's ass, usually the boy. But women that are fatherless tend to be, I think, 3 times more suicidal than women that had a stable father in their life. So, there's just all kinds of research in the data in the links below, but I think this problem should start to get solved sooner than later. Thanks for listening. Thanks for stopping by, and go ahead and share this link to somebody that you're close to or a couple of friends, and let's start a conversation. I think this and my 4-day work week should be part of the grassroots program to just improve America on a project level. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.